If you have also used Magisk on your devices, you might have heard about APatch also, because if you're into rooting devices, if you are into root, etc., you already know there are a lot of alternatives available for Magisk. We have kernel SU, we have kernel SU next, we have APatch. APatch is one of the things which seems to be quite amazing in the terms of security. Obviously, we have some differences as compared to kernel SU or Magisk and so on. I'm using APatch in this case and it works good. The main objective of showing you in this video was regarding APatch was that it is updated. Unlike some other amazing things in rooted environment, it works good. APatch is actually being updated. We are not getting major updates in the form and official channels and so on, but we are getting some updates. That's the main thing. If you're using Magisk, you just noticed we have some beta versions available. If you are using kernel SU, we have some updates available there too. But if you did not use APatch yet, you can still give it a try. It also gets update. Sometimes it works good, sometimes it does not, but it's not a big deal. Especially if I use Xiaomi EU, if I use MIUI device, if I use HyperViz, it works just so good. The main thing is how to install. It's quite easy, by the way, in case just you don't know. Simply click on install, click on boot image to flash. So in this case, in my case, I need boot image. If your device does not have that, if you need init boot, it's totally up to you. Installation is kind of same like kernel SU and so on. So same like that. Simply move to super key. What this is, you have to fill password here, and you have all the requirements available in this case. So simply set a super key password. I will let you know why you need this thing, by the way, the later on. After setting up, click on start. It will take some time. It will patch the boot image. Same like with Magisk. If you use Magisk, you patch the boot image and flash it in the recovery and install that and so on. Same goes with APatch. You just have to find out the boot image, which OS you are using right now, and after that simply take a backup in the custom recovery in case anything goes wrong, so you can simply restore your default boot image to go back to the same stock OS. But in this case, as I already took the backup, in this case simply choose boot image to flash, because I'm using boot image to patch. In this case, I need boot image. In my some other Pixel devices, for example, I need init boot, but in this case I need boot image, and that actually works. After doing all of these things, simply restart my I'll be simply restart my device in this case. And after restarting, I have this kind of UI available. You have to click on super key, and now you have to fill out that password which I just shown you a few seconds ago. Simply put out that password, in this case like super key, that is named as super key. Click on OK, and you will be able to use this APatch right away. So rooted, your device is now rooted. You can simply grant root permissions to any Android app and so on. A lot of Magisk modules, a lot of kernel SU modules actually works with APatch. Not 100% comfortable, but some apps or some modules works perfectly fine. So if you want to give them a try, you can. By the way, I made an installation video on Hindi language too, so you can go and explore that. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.